my dollars make it hurt.
Hi guys, welcome back to the second part of this Msword 2016 paper, summer paper it is, and it is paper 22. You can see here on the top. This is the second part, second session, and here from question number 12 onwards, we're going to continue. Using the data in the table J226 sales.csv, create an appropriate chart to compare the sales of Yach for the years 2015, 2014, and 2013, these 3 years. Okay, now let's go to the folder, our folder, 20 paper 22 folder, and we have to look for the sales. Look at this. This is the one. It's a .csv, comma separated values file it is. If any data in the form of a table, they give in CSV file format. Okay, so now just select the file, right click, open with Excel. Okay, now we'll select the data from this from here to here. So 15, 14, and 13. Fine, select the data and go to insert, and here is a chart. We came to the charts, and here under this column chart or bar chart, let's take the first one, simple one, like this. Okay, and just reduce the size to see other details as well. Fine, what else we have to do in this? Label the chart with the title comparison of super yacht sales. Now we have to even this one. This is the chart title. What is that? Comparison of super yacht sales. Okay, this is the title. Now more, include appropriate labels and the legend. Yeah, there is a there is one here is, see, this is called legend. Okay, it is at the bottom. If you want it in different position, just we can go over here, just select this and you'll get the chart design, add chart elements and legend where you want it, where you want to see towards right, you want somewhere, you want here, just right side. Okay, this is called the legend. Fine, and these are the labeling. It's done. Meters 20 and 30 meters, something all there. Fine, and this is the number of, these are the number we can add over here as well. The y-axis we can add and the x-axis we can add. Anything it is said to do, appropriate labels, that's it. Okay, now let's add labels. Here select, go to chart design, add elements, axis titles, horizontal title. What is it? Length of uh, here, length of super yacht. Now I'll go for even y-axis, just chart design, added one axis title, vertical, this one. And what are this one? These are the sales, right? Sales. Okay, these are the proper labeling. We did it. Now what else? Insert the chart on page 1 after the paragraph ending. Over the past 3 years, Where is it? We have to find first in the document. Then we will just copy that. Now let me open this. I have to search for find here. What is the text I have to enter there? Over the past 3 years. Where is that? Over the, yeah, it's over the past three, over, no, sorry, two times down, sorry. Yeah, here is after this paragraph. Fine. So take the cursor over there and press enter and be ready there. Fine. Now we will bring the chart copied. Now just let me close this navigation over. Now let's go to this Excel. Now we have to copy this. Select control, sorry, select, I added that. Okay, fine. Just right click, copy. Now come over here where our cursor is blinking, paste there. This is the one we got. Fine. Now what else we have to do? Make sure that the chart fits within the column width. All data labels are displayed in full. So we have to adjust that as per the column width. Now let's see that. Here, this is the one. I can just increase the size to fit in the column width. Right? Perfect. And even you can just lengthen it like this to have a proper proportions, right? Lengthened width. Okay, fine. Sorry. When they tell us save, right? Saved. Sorry. Fine. Now, question number 15. Explain why you have chosen this type of graph or chart. Compare it with at least one other chart type. So type the evaluation of your graph or chart into your evidence document using no more than 50 words. So here two marks are there. Minimum 2 points we are supposed to write in the evidence. See, we chose the chart this. So they are asking us, why did you choose this? And compare this chart with any other chart and tell the benefits of your chart. Fine. So that's what they are asking. So till now we saw another chart, that's a stacked chart, right? Some other chart was also there, different stacked one and all. It's quite confusing. This bit very clear. Every year is explained over here. See, legend is very clear. You see, blue is 15 and brown is this and gray is this. Okay, so clearly there is a distinction in the colors and we can easily know, read the chart, right? Whereas if you go for the stacked one or something like, they are in the form of columns and the colors are stacked up and the variations and comparisons we cannot do clearly. Fine. So that's what we're going to write in the evidence. Here, where is the evidence? The evaluation of this. Fine. So number one, the column chart is more clear compared to stacked chart, as the years colors are stacked up and it's difficult to distinguish or compare the variations. 1 point. Second one, the column chart is simple and the simple and the labels can be mentioned clearly under the columns without confusion with other data. That's it. Okay, now what else? 16. Open the file G226 to G226 orders.csv and insert the contents of a table within the column width after the text yach on their order books. Now, where's this the line we have to find in the document? Then we have to go to this file, open the contents of this and paste in that place where our cursor will be blinking. Okay, now let me just go here and find the place yet on their order books. Now let me just open this yet on, what's that, on their order books. Where is it? Still it's not finding. Is it right line correct? Order books. It's S is there. God. Has been found. Yeah, it's here. Yeah, it's here. Okay, after this, okay, just click the cursor, let it blink over there. Now we'll go and open the file. What's that? What's the file name? Orders. Where is the orders? Here is the one. Select, right click, open with Excel. This is the one. Okay, we have to paste the whole table as it is. Let me just see the contents of it clearly. Yeah, so 3 columns are there. New Yach orders. Now just select the whole thing and copy, Control C. Now let's go to MS Word. This are orders where the cursor is blinking. Paste there. Okay, this is the table. Now what's next? Insert a new row at the end of the table. Okay, enter the following order into this row. Okay, now what I'll do, just come over here, I will just show the grid lines so that I can see that clearly. After that I'll change. We have to add another row after this, so click in the last row, the cursor, and go to this layout and insert below. One new row came over here. Okay, now what do we have to enter there? China 926. Here this is China, and here is 900, and here it is 26. Okay, done. Save. Question paper. Sort the data in the table so that the length in meters column is displayed in descending order. Descending order, length in meters. This should go in descending order. Just only this. Okay, even this. Only this column we have to select. Okay. Sorry, it's a number, right? Number. It's descending order. Okay, descending order. Column 2. Okay, done. Save. Now let's see more. Format the first row of the table to be bold and italic. Okay, here, this one. Select it here, bold and italics. Center aligned over 3 columns. Okay, center aligned over 3 columns. That means we have to merge them. Okay, the whole this one we have to merge. Layout. I have to select it. Okay, sorry. Select it fully. Okay, merge cells and go home, center. Shaded with a light gray background, 20 to 40. The background shading. Okay, select this. Here is the one for shading. Okay, you can just even go for a shading as well. Sorry, this one. Select it. Right click. Here you see the 15% it is coming over there. Can you see? They want it 20 to 40%. Okay, so we'll keep 25%. Great. Okay, this is all done. 19th. Make sure that the TYB table style is applied to rows 2 to 12. Okay, 2 to from here onwards. No, from here onwards itself. Okay, which one? Table. Here it came down as well. Okay, text in each cell does not wrap. All grid lines are displayed when printed. Okay, no wrapping at all. See, it's wrapping over here. It's wrapping over here. We have to adjust them. Okay, so for that, here onwards, just adjust like this. Here it's adjusted. Fine, it's done. And here, let me just take the columns. And here also. Fine, it's clear. Grid lines already we added there. Import the image G226yacht.jpg and place this below the subheading charters. Okay, this job is done of this table. Look at that. Okay, and where is the charters? Yeah, here. Just click there in front of A, then press enter and take it up. Now let me just, what is the file name? 216 yacht. 216 yacht. Where is that? 226 yacht. Sorry. 226. It's a. Here is the one. Just right click and you can just will open it or just copy, or we can just directly go for the insert as well. See, just press the cursor over here, insert. Okay, pictures, this device, and the thing is I have to open to that folder. Okay, open the folder. Here is the one. Insert. Okay, after this, reflect the image so that edge points to the left. This one has to go left. Okay, here. Select this image and come over here, spin, rotate. Yeah, flip horizontal. Now it's facing, this tip is towards left. Next, resize the image so that it is 6 centimeters wide. The aspect ratio is maintained. Select 6 centimeters wide. 6 centimeters wide. Here, width. Look at here. Width here, just 6 cm. And you can just open to just select lock aspect ratio. Okay, done. Save. Next, align the image to the top of the paragraph starting Tawara Yacht Charter. So you can see over here it has to arrange like this. Now let's try that. Fine, open this. Text wrapping, and here tight, and from left to text wrap to the, it's wrapping to the right. See there. Then it came over here, just press. Okay, save. As per the question, look at this, like this. Save. Next, the left margin within the column. Yeah, that's there. The left margin. Where is the left margin? This is the left margin. Font size we should not change of this one here. Align the image to the top of the paragraph, starting tomorrow from here. Left margin within the column width. Make sure the text wraps around the image. It may look like this. Okay, done. Now, spell check and proofread the document. Make sure that tables and charts are not split over two columns or pages. There are no widows or orphans. There are no blank pages. The styles specification has been followed and correct styles have been used. Spacing between all items is consistent. Save the document and yeah, the file name which is given in the step 2. Create the document. Okay, fine. That's the final. We have to do the spell check, right? Now let's go for the spell check. Review, spell check, and grammar. Now, meter, where is that meter? It's showing us somewhere the meter is there. Something error there. Here, meters. $40 meter. Where is that? 40 meter. Okay. Then no. Ignore. Offices. Where is offices? Comma is there. Okay. Change. Turbulent few year. Okay. Change. Years. Few year. Yes. Change. Again. Change. Years. Change. Okay. Change. Turbulent few year of the year. Okay. Load line. Change. 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 Weeks. 33 meter. All grip. Change. So many errors. Daisy. Okay. Van. No. Fedship. It's 19 something 79. Ignore. Okay, done. Okay, we can just see as a pages. See, there is an extra empty page. We have to delete that. Okay, put the cursor there and here. Okay, 3 are there now. Okay, any extra leftovers, one line up, one line down, something like that? Don't have. Any heading is up and the rest of the text is down. Rest of the paragraph, those are called widows and orphans. Okay, so we don't have anything such. Everything is perfect. Can you see there? Okay, save the work. Now it's end of year 22 MS Word. Fine, thank you. And you're going to see this the evidence what we did in the evidence. Just I want to show you evidence document. uh, See here, 3 pages having one two, how many, four, five evidence we just added here.